guys, so as promised, I wanted to keep going over some myo exercises and some things to look over to make sure that you're doing them correctly. So the next one I wanted to introduce was the out and in exercise. So it's very similar to the pointy tongue, except now our tongue is on the move. So I'll demonstrate really quickly. So for that exercise, we want to make sure that the tongue has nice tight sides like this. And that it is going in and out of the mouth without impacting the jaw or the lips. So we don't want to see the jaw jutting forward like this. And we don't want to see the lips involved like this. We also don't want the top teeth to be involved, so like this. Another thing I noticed that a lot of kids end up doing with the out and in is that they don't bring their tongue straight back. So they'll go a little bit like this. And we want to make sure that their tongue is going straight back and forward. I like to use the analogy of whenever you're at the airport and they have the escalators that are kind of flat and you just kind of go straight and it lets you go faster. I use that analogy for them just to make sure that they have stability to go forward and backward, but they're not necessarily moving up or down, just to make sure that their tongue is nice and straight and stable. Another exercise that I wanted to go over with all of you is the 1, 2, 3, 4 swallow. So this is the first big exercise in our program. This exercise confuses a lot of people because it's one of the few exercises that does not involve a pull of the tongue. So I am constantly reminding my kids to make sure they're not pulling for this exercise. So it looks like a little bit like this. We put the bands on the tip of the tongue. We go up to the spot.